Looking for a great camera but stuck between the FujiFilm XM5 and the Sony A6400? Let's break down which one is right for you. The FujiFilm XM5 costs $800 for just the body. The Sony A6400 is around $900. Both cameras are super small and light. The XM5 is actually lighter at just 12 ounces. The Sony weighs 14 ounces. Both fit easily in a backpack. The XM5 has 26 megapixel sensors, the Sony has 24 megapixels. Both take great photos. Fujifilm gives you 20 film looks built right into the camera. Just turn a dial and your photo gets that classic film vibe. Sony doesn't have this feature. Here's where things get interesting. The XM5 shoots in 6.2K quality at 30 frames per second. That's amazing for the price. It can also do 4K at 60 frames per second. The Sony only does 4K at 30 frames per second. The XM5 also has a special vlog mode that makes creating content really easy. It even shoots vertical video for social media. The Sony wins here. When it comes to autofocus, the Sony wins. Its autofocus is super fast and never misses. It tracks faces and eyes perfectly every time. The XM5 has good autofocus for photos, but it can struggle with video. It sometimes hunts for focus or switches to the background. This can be annoying when filming yourself. Neither camera has built-in stabilization. You'll need steady hands or stabilized lenses. The Sony has a viewfinder to look through, the XM5 doesn't. You don't have to use the back screen, the Sony also has weather sealing, the XM5 doesn't. The Sony gets 410 shots per charge, the XM5 gets 330 shots. Both are okay but not great. Bring extra batteries with yourself. Pick the Fujifilm XM5 if you love making videos and want those cool film looks. Pick the Sony A6400 if you need better autofocus and a viewfinder. Both are solid choices for the money. That's it. Let me know which camera you'd pick in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.